In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and reopen previous conversations in ChatGPT. If you've ever closed a chat and wanted to come back to it later, the good news is that ChatGPT makes this pretty simple. Whether you're using it in a web browser or on the mobile app, the process is very similar. And once you know where to look, you can quickly return to older conversations without starting over from scratch. To begin, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app. Make sure you're on the main screen where your chats are normally displayed. This is the starting point for accessing your conversation history. Next, look for the sidebar or the menu icon. On a computer, the sidebar may already be visible along the side of the screen. On a phone or tablet, it's often hidden behind a menu icon, usually located near the top corner of the app. If you don't immediately see your chat history, this is where you'll want to go. Click or tap the sidebar to open your chat list. Once it opens, you should see a list of your previous conversations. This area acts like your history panel, making it easy to jump back into older chats whenever you need them. Now scroll through your previous conversations, take your time, and look at the chat titles, since they usually give you a quick clue about what each conversation was about. If you've only had a few chats, this part will be quick. If you use ChatGPT often, you may need to scroll a bit more carefully. If you want to find a specific chat faster, use the search bar. Typing in a keyword, phrase, or topic you remember from that conversation can help narrow the results and save time. This is especially helpful if your chat history is long or if you can't remember exactly when the conversation happened. Once you find the conversation you want, click it or tap it to reopen it. The full chat should load so you can review what was said and continue where you left off. This is useful if you want to copy information, revisit an idea, or keep working on the same topic. If the conversation seems to be missing, check your archived chats. Sometimes a chat may have been moved out of the main list, so looking in the archive section can help you locate it. And that's it. Once you know how to access the sidebar, search your history, and check archived chats, finding old conversations in ChatGPT becomes quick and easy.